Good morning, folks. I'm Tracy Parrish with House Heating and Air, and we get a lot of questions from clients of what they can do in between their scheduled maintenance visits to maintain their systems. One of the most popular questions we get is about filters. Where is my filter located? What type of filter should I use, and how often I should change it? So we're going to go through those things this morning. With filters, they're going to be in one of a few places. Typically, they're going to be in a filter grill with most systems we install. Otherwise, they're going to be in the air handler unit, which could be in your garage, your crawl space, or attic. So this filter's in the filter grill. And a filter grill, you know it's a filter grill by the way it operates. This filter grill has got a couple buttons and is on a hinge and opens up. And here's the filter. It's a standard size. This is a 20 by 20, and it should fill the whole space. If you've got gaps in here, you're letting unfiltered air into your system. So it should fit the filter grill nice and snug. It just comes out, and we'll put another filter in. This one's not in bad shape. So types of filters. This is what we call a standard poly filter, and it's sufficient. It's fine. It's going to catch the dirt and stuff floating around in your home. And you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's or any of the big box stores, and they sell an array of filter efficiencies. You can get filters from $3 or $4 up to $20, $30. Be careful with those expensive filters because they are very restrictive. And they're going to catch the dirt and smaller particles, but they can also restrict the airflow going through your system, which can have a negative impact on your system. If you're in a situation with allergies or you just want better filtration, let us know, and we can check your duct system to see if it's good for a high efficiency filter, or we can modify it to take a high efficiency filter without hurting the operation of your system. So again, the filter should go in. It's got arrows on it. This is the air intake. Air should face into the system. This filter fits nice and tight. Come up and lock it down, and that's how you change your filter. If your return grill has screws, and you've got to take off a bunch of screws to get your filter's not there. That's not a filter grill, that's just your return grill. Your filter's located elsewhere. So again, that's how to change the filter. Intervals, about every 30 to 60 days, check it. If it's not dirty, don't change it. Check it another 30 days. And we're also going to check that during your scheduled maintenance visit. And that's our Comfort Club program. Call or go on our website to find out about that. But if you have any more questions about filters, don't hesitate to give us a call. Thanks.